Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another unboxing of a subscription box that I have recently subscribed to, and this one is my Birchbox. So here is the box that I received. It came really well packaged, and how cute is that design? I love it. Really like that. And the thing that I got with this month, you could get a freebie if you typed in like a little like a code. Basically you could get a free palette. So this is what I got, and it's from the Beauty Crop Dawn Gazing palette. So I've not heard of them before, but I thought I wanted to try it out. So I entered the promotional code, and the promotional code, oh yeah, that's it. So the promotional code that I entered is the word Dawn. So I think you can still actually do that if you wanted to. So I'm subscribed to Birchbox for £10 a month. So £10 a month, and you get £2, and it's £2.95 postage and packaging. So here is the box, and I'm going to open it up. So inside you get a leaflet to show you exactly what's inside your box. It goes through each item. So the first item that I received is a Percy Reid hair treatment there. So it's a shine and fragrance spray. So it says so it adds a burst of rose scented fragrance and instant gloss to your do. It leaves your hair looking and smelling its very best. Hold 30 centimeters away before misting over dry styled hair. So my hair is dry and it is styled. And that does smell amazing, so let's see. Oh, that does smell beautiful. So it does say avoid touching your hair for 10 seconds after applying. That smells gorgeous. I like that. Love it. So that's the first item that I have here. So the next item that I have is a Souk Australian Blemish Control Clearing Facial Wash. So this is paraben free. So yeah, so sorry guys, the recommended retail price of that is £12. So this is the travel size of this, and you can get the full size is 9, I think. Yeah, full sized item at £9.99, the full sized version of that. So in here you get 20 mils. So it says that it's got loaded with natural ingredients like eucalyptus and tea tree. The lightweight gel removes all traces of dirt, makeup and other pollutants. So, gently massage onto your skin before rinsing thoroughly. So, let's have a little smell of this. It's obviously sealed. I always like to smell things, see if I like the scent of them. If I don't like the smell of things, I tend not to use them. And I definitely don't like the taste. Oh. Taste of eucalyptus. Definitely smells like tea tree. Not quite keen on the smell of tea tree. However, we shall see how we get on with that. So, the next item that I received is a Marcel curling and lengthening mascara. So here we have 4.5 mils. So you can get the full sized one for £14 and 50p. So it says that it's an extension plus curl mascara. So let's have a look at the brush. And this one is in the shade black, obviously. Oh, so it's got a little, so that's how the brush is. Can you see that there? So, looks quite good. Travel size. Always like a travel size. So that's that. The next thing that I got is from This Works. It's a deep sleep pillow spray. So, spray onto pillow before bedtime. So apparently this calming spritz is infused with a cocktail of 100% pure essential oils, including lavender, chamomile and some others that I can't pronounce. It's clinically proven to help you sleep quicker than usual and wake up feeling refreshed. Spritz a fine mist over your pillow and breathe in deeply. You'll soon be in the land of Nod. So you can get that, the larger size one, for £18. Obviously this is a little travel size one. I'm just going to spray it. Lovely. Lavender. Lovely. I love lavender. It smells amazing. Oh wow, I love that, so I'll be trying that tonight. I wonder if it'll work. So then the last, or no, second from last thing I received is from a company called Floss Beauty. Here it is. Is it going to focus? Probably not, but anyway, it's my everyday eyeshadow. So I've got 1.5 grams of this. So this apparently is the full size, which you can buy for £12.50. So this is my full sized item. Oh, and the Percy Reid Shine and Fragrance Spray, that is a full sized item as well. So you get 2 full sized items in this month's Birchbox. So there's 2 shades, Tokyo or Maui, and I have got Maui. I like that very much. So, universally flattering, these buttery shimmer shadows from Floss Beauty glide on smoothly and blend with ease, even if you're just using your finger, which is quite handy. I tend to use my fingers on the odd occasion to apply eyeshadows. So, buff over your eyelids for a wash of soft, glowing, long-lasting colour, or build on to go bold. So, let's see. Oh, that is nice. Wow. Can you see that, guys? It might not look as vivid on camera, but in real life, that is pretty awesome. Yeah. It's gorgeous. That's really, really, really pigmented. I love it, and I love that colour. As you might be able to tell, I like pinks. You might already know that. So, yeah, so I'll be using that. Love it. So then the last thing that I received, I've popped it somewhere. Is the eyeshadow palette. So this kind of was the reason why I went and subscribed back to Birchbox, because I do like it when they do promotional offers. You can get freebies if you sign up with them for a particular month, so I was really excited. So even though I've never heard of this company, I love eyeshadow palettes, I love makeup. So the Beauty Crop Dawn Gazing Palette. So here it is. Don't know how pigmented these are. I hope they are. Try and get the top seal off. Okay, so the one thing, I mean, the packaging there is a little bit annoying. That's all creased up, so that's annoying. However, so I'm just going to have a little look at some of these, see what they're like. Wow. Let's see that glitter. Oh my word. Ah, that's amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Super pigmented. So, I'm looking forward to using those. Oh my goodness. 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades, which they are highly pigmented, in 3 different finishes: velvety matte, creamy metallic and long wearing glitter. And by far that glitter is my favourite of all time. So, I need to wipe that off. That is my Birchbox that I received for the month of July. So I'm very, very happy with those. And now I've unboxed them on camera, I am able to use them. That's kind of what I'm going to be doing now. I won't use anything until I've actually unboxed it on camera and revealed it to you guys. So the last thing that I received recently, because this is a little bit of a haul as well, I went and purchased the Clinique, I don't know what you call this, high lash by lash. It's sort of like a set that you could buy. I bought it for £28.50. So there's a shop by me. I go to a place called MacArthur Glen in York a lot, and it's sort of like a an outlet for brands and things like that, and there's a makeup company, and I get a lot of my makeup from there because they sell Clinique, they sell Estee Lauder, they sell MAC, Smashbox, Bobbi Brown, all these things. So, but they do it sort of a little bit reduced. It's an outlet, obviously. So this is what I purchased. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet because, well, like I said earlier, and I have been dying to open it. So I'm going to open it up and see what you get. So in this, you get 50 micellar cleansing towelettes for face and eyes. So you get 50 of those. They are under the name Take the Day Off. The focal point of me getting this is for this, which is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, which I've never used and I've seen everybody using it, so I really desperately wanted to use it. It smells amazing, love it. Excuse my hair, don't quite know what's going on with it. So yeah, so I'll be using that to take my makeup off. Apparently it is excellent, so I'm looking forward to using that. And then in the set you also got one of my favourite mascaras, Clinique High Impact Mascara. It's obviously a smaller version of it, but it's probably one of my favourites, and it's in the shade Black 01. Love it. So I was dead chuffed to get that, but also I got a quick liner for eyes, and this is Intense Black. So this is an eyeliner. There's the little point there. Can you see that? So yeah, so £28.50. I don't think that's a bad buy at all. So I was dead chuffed with that. So thank you so much for watching my video again today, guys, my little unboxing video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up. I know I'm late with this video this week. I did say I would be doing a video every day. I just haven't been able to do it because I've had my sister and my niece down or up for the week, so it's been majorly busy. So, but I do have some more exciting things to unbox for you next week. So I'm trying to decide what day to do my videos on. My second video, obviously, I've got my first channel, Beautified Nails. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you did, like I said, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.